shattered screen. No problem. Here's my 2020 MacBook Air with the M1 chip. I'm gonna be replacing the broken screen, and here is how I did it and how you can do it yourself. So we're gonna open the back cover, then we'll use a suction cup. This will help you apply the ply tool that will go all around to help you pop the back cover. Whenever the back cover is open, we disconnect the power from the battery so that we don't short circuit. Then we'll unscrew our Wi-Fi network antenna and the connections for the screen to the motherboard. Then we'll pop the two connections. Remember to place them back when you're done. We'll then get a ply tool, try to pop out the Wi-Fi antenna, create space underneath. The screen hinges will come out. I'll show you in a minute. So then we open the hinges. It's 3 nut screws on both sides. Then on the other side, when it's done, pull it out. Then here comes the part. You see under the Wi-Fi antenna, that's where you pop it, because the screen will come out. The screen hinges will pop out from there, and we have our screen disattached. So then comes the new screen. I'll give a link where I got the screen and for how much. So pushing the screen connection to go under the Wi-Fi antenna. Then I placed the laptop on a table facing down on the edge to get a better position to screw the screen back. So I'll start putting everything together. Anything you unscrewed, anything you popped out, put it together. Ensure you use all the screws that you put on your magnet part. If you're left out with any screw, then you're screwed. Also remember to confirm whenever you're getting your display screen that the model number aligns with the MacBook model number, otherwise it's not gonna work. When we're back, we're gonna connect the antenna and the power. Test back the back cover. And then test our new screen, power it up. Oola, new sweet screen. So I got this screen from eBay at $240. I had talked to Apple. They told me they'll charge me $600 at least, but with $240 and a kit, a repair kit for about $20, I replaced the screen.